Hello, Mr. Nemo here. We are going to talk about some things that we might see in our comparing and scaling unit test. Um, some of our questions may have to do with the price of something. And in this case, we're going to talk about tickets. So, say you had a problem where up here, I just put that's you can maybe see a couple examples, but one I'm going to work with right now is for the price of black tickets. So they may ask you, how to find the unit price for the black tickets. The way I would set that up is I would take the price of the ticket and divide it by, the number of tickets that you get. So in this example up here, you get black tickets. There's 25 tickets, and the cost is $15. So to find the unit price, we're going to take the cost and divide it by the number. So if I take 15, we always read every fraction as a division problem. We start from the top and read down. So it's 15. This means divided by, and then we're going to divide by 25. So we'll go back over here, and we do 15 divided by 25, and we get 0.6. So that is equal to 0.6, and that would be the same thing as 60 cents per ticket. So we got to make sure that we label things. So we're dealing with money, and we're dealing with a amount. So this is the 25 tickets. So in our answer, we're going to have our dollar amount, the fact that we're dealing with money, and the number of tickets. All right. We may also ask you. I'm going to erase this real quick because I need a little bit more room to work. And like I always say, you can go back and watch this again. They may also ask you, or the test may ask you, how many could you get if you wanted to purchase, or how much would it be if you wanted to say only spend $20? Let's just say that. So if we take the price of the tickets again, which was $15, and that is going to be over 25. That's kind of our set thing that we use. And we're going to say, well, we got $20. How many tickets can I get? So the money is up top. It's our numerator, so we're going to keep that there. And we're going to say this is the unknown. This is how many, or X. The question, how many can we get for $20? There's two ways that we know to solve this. The first way that I like to use is, or what we've been talking about, is the cross multiplication. So I start, doesn't matter where I start, but I start with either number on the left side, either the 15 or the 25. And I draw an arrow this way because I'm going to go from the top down, and then I'm going to go from the bottom up. So we go 15, and if we look at the X in the middle right here, it's like the multiplication symbol. So that's how you remember you multiply. So it's 15x is equal to 25 times 20. So let's plug that in real quick. 25, let's clear out what we had. 25 times 20, and we get 500. So we take the 500, and we still have the 15x over here, right? Well, when we want to solve for x, we have what's going on over here is multiplication. We know that because of the parentheses. So we got to do the opposite. We got to get rid of the 15. That turns us into 1. Now we just have x. But whatever I do to the left, I got to do to the right. So we get 500 divided by 15. So 500 divided by 15. And we get 33 and 1/3. So x is equal to 33 and 1/3. So can you buy 1/3 of a ticket? No. So you're going to get 33 tickets and maybe some change left over or something like that. But what I would write is 33 and 1/3 tickets, or just 33. And study, 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 and good luck on your tests.